The Manipur government has extended curfew timings for all reasons in Imphal East and Imphal West districts from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Sunday, October 21st, instead of the usual 7 p.m. Following the continuous statewide violence, which began on May 3rd and has been in effect since then, a total curfew was imposed in Imphal West, Imphal East, Churachandpur, Kangpopi and other valley districts. In the recent past, when the situation gradually returned to normality, it was loosened from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. on most days and subsequently up to 7 p.m. in Imphal West and Imphal East. However, it was frequently rescinded without warning, owing to new episodes of violence. The order issued on Friday by the respective district magistrates of Imphal East and Imphal West stated that the curfew has been relaxed due to the improvement of law and order situation. There is a necessity to relax the restrictions of movement to facilitate the general public to purchasing essential items including medicines and food items, etc. Imphal East magistrates said in the order. This relaxation shall, however, not apply to any gatherings or large-scale movement of persons or sit-in protests or rallies, etc., which is unlawful in nature, the order said. However, movement of persons belonging to essential services such as health, electricity, PHED, petrol pumps, schools or colleges, municipality, press and electronic media, functioning of courts and to and fro movement to flight passengers to the airport and contractor or worker with valid airport entry permit card will be exempted from the impositions of curfew, the order of Additional District Magistrate Imphal West said. It may be noted that both Imphal East and Imphal West district authorities had once extended the relaxed curfew timing for all areas under the above district from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. on September 14 against the usual timing of 5 a.m. to 6 p.m.